What's poppin', guys? Welcome back to another Zod Plays video. Now, today we are playing Space Elevator, one of Neal Fun's amazing games, and let's see what happens. So it says scroll up, so let's do that. Welcome to the Space Elevator, the only elevator that goes to space. First plane to cross the English Channel. You are currently in the troposphere, the lowest layer of the atmosphere. Okay, so ospreys fly this height. The troposphere contains 99% of the water vapor in the atmosphere. Ooh, that's cool. A pigeon can fly 2,000 meters in the air. Holy crap. Largest helicopter ever built. It looks like a plane. Nimbostratus clouds are responsible for rainy days. Ooh, typical altitude for a skydiver. And a monarch. Butterflies can fly 3,000 meters. Huh? It's crazy. As you climb, the temperature will continue to drop. It's a bit chilly. Pick a scarf to stay warm. Ooh, I'm gonna pick blue since blue is my favorite color. Amelia Earhart's. Oh, this is Amelia Earhart's plane. 3,000 meters. Jeez. Cumulonimbus are tall, towering clouds that can produce lightning, tornadoes, and hail. Fun fact. Chilean flamingo. Me 8. Ooh, this is a blimp. A wild yak can go 500 meters in the air. Oh my god. The elevator needs some music. Yay. This sounds cool. Anyway, whatever. Highest observed flight of a bumblebee. Oh my god. Sopwith Camel. World War I fighter plane. Jeez. Bar-tailed godwit. Sandwort? What? Himalayan jumping spider can jump 6,795 meters. Damn! That is high. A mouse can jump the same as well? Huh? Cirrus clouds are wispy clouds made out of ice crystals. Another fun fact. Paratrooper, max altitude, bearded vulture. Above this altitude is known as the death zone. Okay? Because there isn't enough oxygen for human life. A swan can fly this high? Oh my god. This is Mount Everest peak. Jeez. A bar-headed goose. Gooses can fly even higher. Party balloons? Nah, party balloons can go 9,000 meters in the air. Jeez. If you've ever wondered where your lost balloons went, at this height, a typical party balloon will pop. Oh, common passenger jet. Okay. What are these names? Cirrocumulus are patchy cloud that can blanket the sky. Okay. Spitfire. Is this Spitfire? And -225 Maria. Okay. Space shuttle. This is the reaches max aerodynamic pressure. Also, this music is really helpful and like sounds nice. Yeah. Ruppel's Griffon Vulture, highest flying bird. Oh my god. Now would be a good time to pick out your spacesuit. Okay, I choose this one. This one fits me. This one fits the little man. As air pressure drops, so does the temperature needed to boil water. At this altitude, water boils at just 129 degrees Fahrenheit. Bro, I'm not American. I don't know what that is in Celsius. Oh, okay. Whatever. Sa 31-5B Llama. Highest flying helicopter. Oh my god. P-51 Mustang. Isn't that a car? World War II fighter plane. Jeez. Jet streams are bands of strong winds in the atmosphere. They can reach speeds of up to 275 miles per hour. Okay. P-80 Shooting Star. Don't worry, the elevator is pretty strong. I think. Okay, what? Whatever. Learjet 45. F-35. Ooh, we're reaching the stratosphere. Welcome to the stratosphere. The stratosphere is home to the ozone layer, which protects us from harmful UV rays. A plane went 16,000... In 1938... Wait, you're saying in 1938 there has been a plane that went 17,199 meters in the sky? Huh? Unlike the troposphere, the temperature in the stratosphere increases the higher you go. The 1948 went Concorde. What? A 1933 balloon altitude record. Oh my god. Okay, this is the Armstrong limit. Above this altitude, your saliva and tears will boil if you don't have a pressure suit. Thank God we have one. At least I think it is. Nacreous clouds are rare clouds found in polar regions. They are made of small ice particles that scatter light in colourful ways. Okay. This music is actually very soothing, I swear. Huh? First aircraft to break the sound barrier went 21,394 meters in the air. Oh my... Another balloon went this high. Oh my... What is going on? As the air gets thinner, there are fewer molecules to scatter light, so the sky starts getting darker. A glider went this high, 23,000. Aircraft ejection, highest aircraft ejection, 23,798 meters. Holy, spy plane went this up. This is just mad now. The SR-71 is one of the fastest planes ever made. It can fly at over 3 times the speed of sound. Jeez. Sudquest Trident 2. Rocket plane altitude record 1958. What? F-104 Starfighter went 27,000. Oh my god. You know, this is getting NASA Helios HP-01 winged aircraft altitude record. Oh my god. NASA X-43 experimental hypersonic aircraft. This is actually, I know I've said it for the millionth time, but it's crazy. A skydive, 1960 skydive altitude record. Oh my god. With nothing but a duct tape pressure suit, Joseph Kittinger jumped from an open gondola and set a record that would last more than 50 years. Jeez. Weather balloons go this high? Huh? And also, I don't know how many degrees Celsius this is, but oh, there we go. Right now it's negative 45 degrees Celsius. That is so cold. The ash cloud from the eruption that destroyed Pompeii reached this height. What? Really? Oh my god. Paper aeroplane went 34,900 meters in the air. Plane. You beat some fighter jets up here. Launched from a balloon, this is the highest a paper airplane has flown. Felix Freefall. Yeah. No wonder he's called Freefall. Oh, Felix Baumgartner was the first person to break the sound barrier in a freefall. He reached the top speed of 843 miles per hour. God, that is so... Congratulations, you have made it 0.01% of the way to the moon. Huh, well, that's fine. Paper aeroplane, sorry, you have been defeated by the Bell X-2. The mushroom cloud from the Castle Bravo nuclear test reached this altitude. Yeah, I'm speechless. Alan Ustras is skydive, current world record for the highest skydive. Oh my god. Space elevators are actually a possible idea being considered by scientists. They could potentially offer a cheaper and safer way of getting to space. Yeah, while killing you in the meantime. The hard part is making a strong enough cable and finding enough elevator music. I like that. Binsk Meteor Air Bust Altitude. Weird name. Space Shuttle boosters eject at 46,095 meters. Okay, that's something to do. Sutter's Mill Meteor breakup altitude. This has been actually. What is that? Blue jets are a rare form of lightning that arc upwards in a brilliant blue flash. That Memisphere. Congratulations, you have reached the Memisphere and are now halfway to space. I thought like 5 seconds ago you said we were 0.01%. Oh, halfway to space. Oh, now I get it. The air in the Memisphere is very thin. It has less than 1% of the pressure as the air at sea level. Highest altitude balloon record. Oh my god, 53,000 meters. The world's fastest elevator travels at 46 miles per hour. 46 miles per hour? A space elevator with the same speed will take 80 minutes to reach space. It's actually not that much, to be fair. A sounding rocket. Since weather balloons can't reach this height, rockets with sensors are used to learn more about the Memisphere. Okay. Like the stars. Saturn V, first stage separation. Okay. Keep going up. The mushroom cloud from the largest ever nuclear test, the Tsar bomber, reached this 64,499 meters. Oh, what? Actually, I can't talk right now. I actually can't talk right now. What is this? Sprites are a rare form of lightning, spotted over thunderstorms that last a fraction of a second. I'll give you another one. Sprite is a drink. No. While normal lightning is around 4 kilometers long, Sprite can reach lengths up to 50 kilometers. Damn. Space shuttle re-entry, maximum heat. Jeez, must be hot. Now it's negative 62 degrees Celsius, just as an update. Since the speed of sound depends on the temperature, the sound travels 15% slower up here. Jeez. Oh. Sorry. I had to do something. Noctilucent clouds are the highest altitude clouds in the atmosphere. They are only visible at night and at higher latitudes. Okay. Ooh, meteors. Most meteors burn up in the mesosphere. It's estimated that over 46 tons of meteors hit the atmosphere every day. Jeez. V-2 rocket, peak altitude. Rockets can go this high. I mean, of course they can. Falcon 9 first stage separation. Jeez. This is the coldest part of Earth's atmosphere. 84 degrees Celsius. Negative 84 degrees Celsius. Okay. Thermosphere. Welcome to the thermosphere, the final layer on our journey to space. At 100 kilometers high, the Kármán line is usually accepted as the start of outer space. Temperatures in the thermosphere can reach 2,500 degrees Celsius, but molecules are so far apart that you wouldn't even feel it. Jeez. VSS Unity. Oh my god. On the way to space. Oh jeez. It's the Northern Lights! As particles from the sun hit the atmosphere, they excite the atoms in the air. Atoms get excited? What? These excited atoms start to glow, creating brilliant displays of light called auroras, or northern lights. Oh, jeez, missed something. X-15, highest flying rocket plane. Okay. You're about to reach a place fewer than 1,000 humans have ever been. Oh. Now leaving Earth. Bye-bye, Earth. And that is the end. Buy me a coffee. Well, that was an absolutely, and I mean absolutely amazing video. Amazing Neal fun minigame thingy. Anyway, if you want to see more videos of Neal Fun's games, then hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss one. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!